Hi views. Today I'm going to introduce you to a game-changing device that will revolutionize your daily life. The Google Pixel Fold smartphone. If you are a technology lover, then this video is for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with smartphones in the comments below. A thin, durable design. To create this foldable design, Google didn't compromise on form and function. Many of the Pixel components, from camera, battery, speakers and haptics technology, were cleverly redesigned to fit within the thin design. Google custom-built hinge not only contributes to that thinness, but also doubles as the most durable hinge out there. Point 2, and last but not least, Pixel Fold has an IPX8 rating for water resistance. That hinge also enables tabletop mode, which allows you to go hands-free when watching videos, taking photos or doing a quick video call. Similar to the Flex mode on the Galaxy Z Fold series, you'll get controls on the bottom half and the main content area up top. The Pixel Fold comes in two colors, Porcelain and Obsidian. It would have been nice to have more options. Multiple screens. Whether it's open or closed, the Pixel Fold screens unlock endless ways of having fun and getting things done. When closed, the exterior screen lets you do all the usual tasks you'd expect from a Pixel phone, like responding to messages, browsing Chrome, or using our suite of call assist features, like Direct My Call, Call Screen, Hold for Me and Clear Calling. Another big way the Pixel Fold stands out versus the Galaxy Fold series is the front display. The 5.8-inch OLED cover display uses a fairly wide aspect ratio of 17.49, compared to 21.6/18 for Samsung, which makes for a less cramped experience when using the device closed. This OLED panel supports up to a 120Hz refresh rate, always-on display functionality, and is rated up to 1550 nits of peak brightness and 1200 nits with HDR content. Flip it open to reveal a 7.6-inch screen with a thinner profile than any other foldable phone in the market. Pixel Perfect Camera. Pixel Fold has many of the camera experiences you've come to expect from a Pixel, from super res zoom with 5x optical zoom, real tone, night sight and portrait photography, along with pro-level modes from Pixel 7 Pro, such as 10-bit HDR video. Plus, you can use Magic Eraser and Photo Unblur in Google Photos to help get your pictures looking just right. The Pixel Fold promises the same quality camera experience you get from other Pixel phones, complete with real tone for more accurate skin tones and night sight for stellar low-light images. You get a 4.8MP rear camera, 10.8 megapixels ultra-wide camera and a 10.8 megapixels telephoto camera with a 5x optical zoom and 20x super res zoom, digital. There's also a 9.5 megapixels front camera for selfies and an 8 megapixels inner camera for selfies and video calls. Using the rear camera selfie feature, with the back of the foldable open and facing you, you can use the front display as your viewfinder and snap 48 megapixel selfies. Android 14. Powered by Tensor G2, dual screen interpreter mode simultaneously uses the inner and outer screens to translate live conversations. Android 14 gives users the ability to launch two apps side by side in a split screen view. This feature is called App Pair. But that's not all. It looks like the operating system may also allow users to save those app pairs and add a shortcut to the home screen. Fold performance. The Pixel Fold runs on Google's Tensor G2 processor, the same chip that powers the Pixel 7 lineup. Performance is smooth. The Pixel Fold launches apps quickly, runs games like PUBG Mobile and Shadowgun Legends with ease, and shifts between the front and interior displays almost instantly. The back of the phone got a little warm after gaming for about 10 minutes, to the point where it's noticeable but not uncomfortable. The is backed up by 12 GB of RAM, which is good, and you get your choice of 256 GB or 512 GB of storage when ordering. Fold battery and charging. The Pixel Fold packs a 4727 mAh battery, which is bigger than the 4400 mAh battery in the Galaxy Z Fold 4. In our real-world testing, we were also pleased by its battery life. At the very least, you'll get a solid 1 day's use out of a full battery with the Pixel Fold. Even though it trails some of the other devices on our best phone battery life list, it's expected because foldables drain more due to their larger displays. You get 30W wired charging for the Pixel Fold, and the Pixel Fold supports Qi wireless charging. Fold Outlook. It's also encouraging to see Google optimizing its own apps for foldables and pushing developers to do the same. So far after testing the Pixel Fold, it's proving more to be a champ among foldables and should be in consideration for the best phones this year. The Pixel Fold is a very good first foldable phone from Google, offering a front display that's comfy to use, smart multitasking software and multiple usage modes along with strong cameras. The price is high and the bezel's too big, but overall this is a strong competitor to the Galaxy Z Fold. Google Pixel Fold smartphone is a good phone for the price. It gives you long battery life. Phone makes your commute easier. If you want to buy the phone, then AliExpress provides original products for you.